Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is butternut squash. We'll be making butternut squash puree with apples, raisins, and toasted almonds, and butternut squash risotto with salmon, spinach, and toasted pumpkin seeds. Joining me is Dr. Jennifer Janco from St. Luke's University Health Network and Chef Lee Styer. This sounds amazing. Let's get started.
Excellent. So first we're going to start with a squash puree.
Okay.
So we're just going to saute a little bit of white onion.
Okay. And I see you've carefully measured out.
Yes, exactly.
And I'm sort of joking a little bit, but it sounds like you can't mess that part
Yeah,
up.
it's
Just kind of cut
basically
some
to
onion and
taste
put it in.
and-
Gotcha.
sure.
Okay.
Same with the ginger. So
Okay.
We were joking about the measurements, but online you can have the exact measurements for all of our,
Yes.
our shows and all of our ingredients.
That's a good point. That's a good point. Because I think sometimes the first time you're cooking, you want to follow it,
Yes.
you know, exactly, but then you can have fun with it and maybe, you know, make it to your own taste and liking. All right, what part are we up to?
So now we have some squash.
Okay.
We're also just going to cut up in small pieces.
What are some of the health benefits?
You're going to get beta carotene. That's what gives it that orange kind of color.
Okay. That's good for your eyes,
For your
right?
eyesight. You're also going to get other vitamins like your vitamin A. You're going to get some potassium out of that. So these are all things that your body needs every single solitary day. Moms, you know, should have a diet rich in folate if they're thinking of having other children. So you are going to get some nice folic acid out of this too.
And then we're going to add a little bit of cream.
Okay.
We use milk. We're just going to simmer that until it's soft. And then we're going to put it in a blender to puree it. We already have some already finished because it takes about 20-25 minutes.
Okay.
All right, now we're just going to sear the salmon.
Okay.
So we're going to start with skin side down in
Okay.
a hot pan.
Excellent.
That looks
So
great.
while
I
this
love
is getting
salmon.
hot, we're just going to mix up some risotto that we already have halfway cooked. So once this gets hot, we're going to spoon in some of the squash puree.
Okay, so just a
When you-
couple
That
looks
spoons
great.
in there.
Also a little bit of chicken stock.
Okay. And this is one that I think I've always enjoyed cooking, and
me
I've
too.
enjoyed it even more by being on this show. But, you know, how much water? I don't know, enough till it looks okay. The recipes are on there, but have fun with it.
Yeah,
Try it
absolutely.
out.
So now we're going to put this in the oven for a few minutes.
Okay.
About 4
So
minutes
this
in
is a
there.
great season to be picking squash too. You can take your children out to do
Yeah.
it at a farmer's market even.
I think it's really great for children to learn where their foods come from. And the message is foods come from home. They don't come from fast food restaurants. It's a great activity. It also gives some exercise. You know, we're trying to help people understand how to have healthy lifestyles.
So we're just going to dice up some apple.
Apples. That's
Okay.
another fun one. I know that's not our featured ingredient,
Yeah,
but still, apple
absolutely.
picking is another great one to do.
Great, so now we're just going to take the puree that we made earlier,
Okay.
put it in a bowl,
All right.
and then we just garnish with a little bit of the diced apple,
Okay.
also some golden raisin, and then also some toasted almonds. So the risotto is just going to be finished with a little bit of Parmesan cheese.
Right.
Now we're just going to finish the salmon. Great, so now we can go and plate. We're just going to plate the risotto. We're also going to saute a little bit of spinach. We use the same pan as the salmon.
I love that. Less cleanup.
Okay.
We can garnish that with a little bit of the pumpkin seeds.
Pumpkin seeds.
Okay.
So just garnish right on top.
Yep.
Just-
So we can go ahead with the salmon. And this spinach was barely wilted.
Okay, so really just a second or two, quite
Exactly.
quick. Okay.
Such a healthy meal.
And
This
it's
is perfect.
healthy, but it's so bright and colorful. How could you not want to eat that? That's delicious.
That looks amazing.
Oh my gosh, that's so creamy.
That's delicious.
Nice kind of a toddler meal, nice and creamy with a little bit of texture. I love it. Great
That's
job.
fantastic. So good and so easy, so simple. All right, let's try the salmon.
Okay. So my mama knows I eat my vegetables.
That's delicious.
So good.
So good.
This is a meal, mom, dad, child, everybody's
Yeah, everybody
happy.
be happy.